Alam mo, when those emotional moments come, you can never really
Prepare
expect
yourself.
when, and you can never really prepare yourself for them. So, sobrang gets namin si Coach Julie. I mean, like, you've seen it sa blind auditions. We've also had our moments when sobrang tindi lang talaga ng emotion. Especially, I think though, being yung first time namin po dito sa battles, talagang mas challenging siya kasi medyo na-attach ka rin sa mga bata eh. So may nabuo ka na rin connection sa kanila. And to have to say goodbye to two of them, sobrang hirap talaga nun. Kaya saludo kami kay Coach Julie na nagawa niya. At ano, ang ganda rin yung sinabi niya dun sa kids. And to the two who didn't make it this time, I really, really wish that they would keep going because the life of an artist is never measured by your successes only, but especially by your failures and how you rose back up from them.
This is the